Hello friends, welcome to Ratna's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. As you know, I'm taking you towards Jammu and Kashmir for these beautiful recipes from that region. So today I'm going to share with you one of the famous recipes from the region of Jammu. It's called Ambul and it's really very famous, and no party is done without this recipe. So it's very simple and very tasty, and this is one of my favorite. It's done with pumpkin. So here I am in a local organic shop, with a small farmer shop. I'm going to buy my pumpkin. So let me just show you this beautiful shop. So this pumpkin recipe is actually originated from the region of Jammu, as I mentioned before, and there is a community called Dogra. They usually make this recipe of pumpkin, and it is called ambal. Very simple ingredients, so I'll show you here. As you can see, the pumpkin that which I picked up from the farmhouse today early in the morning, and then we have a bit of a tamarind there. And fenugreek seeds. This is a very important ingredient for this recipe. And I have a jaggery, which is called palm sugar as well, or you can use brown sugar, and from few green chilies. So that's all you need for this recipe. So let me show you how to make ambal in Jammu style. So we have cut the pumpkin into small pieces. It's all ready to start. So let me show you how to make ambal. I'm using the earthen pot. If you don't have an earthen pot, you can use any pot. That's fine. I love cooking in earthen pot. So it's nice and hot now. For this, I'm going to add mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil, but if you have mustard oil, use that. That will give a beautiful flavor as well. So I'm going to add a little bit of mustard oil, and I have taken quarter of the pumpkin that I purchased today. So I'm waiting for the mustard oil to be heated up. Usually mustard oil, you need to heat up really nicely until you see the flames coming up. Then it's good to start using. Otherwise it could be very strong. The flavor will be very strong. So I'm just waiting for it to get nice and hot. As you can see, the fumes are coming out now. So this is ready. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add fenugreeks. 1 spoon of fenugreeks, and we need to fry these fenugreeks nice and brown until they become nice and brown. Otherwise you'll have a very bitter taste. So make sure you just fry them nicely until they are a little bit brownish. Okay, to this I'm adding a bit of asafoetida, which is called hing as well. You can get this in any Indian shops. Just fry it. To this I'm going to add the pumpkin pieces. As you can see, the pumpkin pieces are with the skin. This recipe you must keep the skin on because it looks much better and it tastes nice as well. And let's fry this in oil a little bit. Going to fry this for at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Not too long, just 2 to 3 minutes. You just fry them lightly in the mustard oil. And this is the original recipe from Dogra community from Jammu. It's very tasty. It's got a sweet, sour and spicy taste all together. I'm going to add some green chilies to bring out a little bit of a spiciness to it, because this recipe is going to be a bit sweet and sour, but I want to bring some chili into it, so I'm adding 3 to 4 chilies. This you can add up to your taste again. The chilies you can add just one, or you can add dry red chili if you don't want it spicy at all. So it's been frying for 2 minutes. I'm going to add a cup of water to this. And I'm going to let it cook nice and medium until the pieces gets cooked a little bit, not too soft. I want it little bit half cooked. So I'm going to let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes in the water. I have soaked the tamarind in a water, warm water, to make it softer. So I'm just squeezing out the pulp. So this is how you take out this tamarind pulp, which we are going to use for this dish. So let me just have a look at it. Just soak it in a warm water for 1 minute or 1 to 2 minutes. Then it's easy to take out the juice. So we are going to use this juice now. So it's been cooking for 5 minutes in this water. So what I'm going to do now is going to add some salt to this. One spoon of salt. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder is mainly for the color only. It's not spicy. So only 1/4 spoon you can use if you want. I'm using half a spoon. And let's mix it together. The pumpkin is almost half cooked. So what I'm going to use now is I'm going to add the tamarind juice, which I have taken it out. So 1 cup of tamarind juice. And I'm going to add palm sugar. So I have just crushed it into small pieces. We'll add it. Probably you can add 2 teaspoons of palm sugar, or you can use 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, extra water, and let it cook fully now. So it's cooked. The pumpkin pieces are fully cooked, nice and soft. And we want the pieces to be nice and intact, so we don't want to cook anymore. They are very nicely cooked. So I'm going to, you can see the sauce has thickened up a little bit, and you don't want more thicker than this. So I'm going to turn the stove off, and I'm going to plate this up now. So friends, here it is, Jammu and Kashmir's famous ambal recipe made out of pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. This is usually taken as a combo with dal and rice. If you want a dal recipe, I'm going to share one of my dal recipe links under the description. Please do try that out as well. Otherwise, you can eat it as it is with the hot rice. It's really yummy, and I hope you will really love this yummy, tangy and spicy pumpkin curry. If you like today's recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes, so I'll be seeing you soon.